Adil and I work for Stem Cell Care India.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir. What's your good name?
Yeah, this is Anil Kumar. I'm from Asifabad, Telangana.
Okay.
Yeah, previously I have gone through the treatment like basically regular checkup and using the regular spectacles from Ilvi Prasad Institute. And after that I went to the Ayurvedic hospital and they told me like stem cell therapy. I researched and came here. Now I have treated with stem cells therapy.
So, after diagnosis, which line of treatment you have tried? And is there any improvement with that?
Yeah, it's gonna be. It is a. It is very difficult, and is there is a difference between the previous my eye condition and now it is good.
So, what is your condition right now?
It is little bit fine. Everything is good.
Okay.
All are normal only. There is no pain or any difficulties in my body.
Okay. And how do you know about the stem cell treatment?
Yeah, I went to an Ayurvedic hospital.
Okay.
Then
In Hyderabad?
In Hyderabad only.
Okay.
I gone to them, and they told me like the stem cell therapy you can do it.
So, how do you find the stem cell care
Yeah,
India?
I have researched in the Google and mails, and I have called the doctors and I submitted my previous reports in Ayurveda and Ilvi Prasad. They contact me again for you can do it the stem cell therapy for your better improvisation and stopping the improvement of the disease. So I contacted them and I took an appointment and came here for a 3 days appointment. The diagnosis is already done. Now I am comfortably see and there is no any other issues in my body right now.
Okay. So yesterday we have given you the injection into your
Into
retroverbal space.
yeah,
So
two
it's
injections.
almost 24 hours. So
Yeah.
right now do you have any pain or something?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Little
Completely
bit,
settled.
Completely set.
Okay.
Little bit I faced in the morning, but it's
Completely
set.
settled. Okay.
I have taken the 2 injections in the eyes and in hand also I took an injection.
Stem cell and
Stem
infusion.
cell. Yeah, stem
Okay.
cell.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.